A smart home is a technologically advanced home that uses automation to make the home systems more efficient. A smart home cleaner is a device that helps to keep the home clean and free of dust, dirt, and other debris. There are many different types of smart home cleaners on the market, so it can be difficult to choose the best one for your needs. Here are the 5 best smart home cleaners on the market today. Our first choice is Ecovacs deebot Ozmo U2 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Ecovacs deebot Ozmo U2 Pro is a top-of-the-line robot vacuum cleaner that can both vacuum and mop your floors. It comes with an extra pet care kit, which includes a large dustbin and tangle-free brush, making it ideal for pet hair. It also has a no-go zone feature, which allows you to set up areas that the vacuum should avoid. With a run time of 2. If you need the product details, please check the video description box. Our second choice is Shark AV2501AE iRobot Vacuum Cleaner. The Shark AV2501AE iRobot Vacuum is one of the most advanced vacuums on the market. It features XL HEPA self-empty base, bagless design, 60-day capacity, LiDAR navigation, and compatibility with Alexa. Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to control the vacuum from anywhere in your home. The AV2501AE is perfect for both carpet and hard floors. Our third choice is iRobot Roomba i3 Plus Evio 3550 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. iRobot has been a leader in the robot vacuum industry for many years now. The Roomba i3 Evio 3550 is their latest self-emptying model that promises to make your life easier. This little machine is equipped with smart mapping capabilities and can empty itself for up to 60 days. It also works with Alexa for your convenience. Our fourth choice is Roomba J7 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Roomba J7 is a new robotic vacuum cleaners that hit the market in 2020. The J7 is said to be the smartest Roomba yet. It has a 3-stage cleaning system, dirt detect sensors, and edge sweeping brushes. The J7 also has a self-emptying dustbin feature. This means that you don't have to worry about emptying the bin after every use. If you need the product details, please check the video description box. Our last choice is Yale Robovac G20 Hybrid Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Anker's Yale Robovac G20 Hybrid is a robot vacuum and mop that uses dynamic navigation to clean your floors. It has 2,500 Pascal strong suction and can operate for up to 100 minutes on a single charge. The Robovac is ultra-slim and quiet, making it ideal for use in your home. It is also compatible with Alexa, making it easy to control with your voice. I hope you find your best smart home cleaner. If you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.